Welcome students, let me continue our next class on trigonometry. Actually I am continuing the problems on the transformation formulae in today's class mainly, and we are concerned with multiple and submultiple angle properties also here. See the first question, there is a combination sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. This is equal to, you need to prove tan 4x here. And first of all, let me take the LHS part of this one. See, the LHS part is sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Cos 5x plus cos 3x here. Now let us apply the formula cos sin c plus sin d and then cos c plus cos d. So I would like to recall the result here. Sin c plus sin d equal to sin c plus sin d. The sum of two trigonometric functions leads to the product to sin into cos, that is sin of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. This is the formula here. For the denominator, cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d equal to, here you can use the formula 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 into again cos of c minus d divided by 2. See, you need to memorize the results. There is no option. You need to remember all these. So ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ sin c plus sin d 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2. In place of c, 5x is there. In place of d, 3x is there. That is 5x plus 3x divided by 2. Okay. Into what is the rule? Cos of c minus d divided by 2. Cos of 5x minus 3x whole divided by 2 here. This is the formula for numerator only. Next you apply the formula, transformation formula for denominator. Cos c plus cos d 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. Cos of c plus d divided by 2, sorry. Here in this case you need to apply the values here. 5x plus 3x. 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into again cos is there in the rule here. c minus d divided by 2. That is 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Now what happens? This is equal to 2 into sin of 5 plus 3, 8. 8x by 2, that leads to 4x. Next is cos 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x by 2 is only x. 2x divided by 2, 2 cancels. See, actually it is like this, 2x divided by 2, 2 and 2 cancels, only x remains. Whole divided by 2 into cos of 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2, 4. So 4x, right? Similarly, this is leading to cos x here. 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x by 2 is nothing but 2, 2 cancels, x remains. Now it is the time to eliminate the terms. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Cos x and cos x can be eliminated. So sin 4x divided by cos 4x. That leads to how much here? This is equal to tan 4x, and this is our required right hand side. You see the result. We need to prove tan 4x. Now next question here, another similar question, but the different formula you need to use here. LHS part, sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. See, denominator is cos c plus cos d. Just be, in the previous problem I have given you the formula sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d for numerator. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos into sin. 2 cos of c plus d divided by 2 into sin of c minus d divided by 2. So this is what the formula for sin c minus sin d here. Now this is equal to what you are writing here, 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2, that is cos of x plus y divided by 2, cos of c plus d divided by 2 into sin of c minus d divided by 2, that is sin of x minus y divided by 2, okay, whole divided by cos c plus cos d, same formula as before, 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2, that is x plus y by 2, into again cos of c minus d divided by 2, that is nothing but x minus y divided by 2 here. Now 2 and 2 can be eliminated. Cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2, these two. 2 and 2, further cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2, totally you can cancel. Remains what? Sin of x minus y by 2 whole divided by cos of x minus y divided by 2. Now see carefully, x minus y by 2, the angle is same here. Here also x minus y by 2 is there. Sin divided by cos, that leads to tan. So this is tan of x minus y divided by 2, and this is our required RHS here. And this completes the solution for this example. Now let us take into consideration next one. Again another similar question here. Let me take into consideration the LHS part. See, the LHS part of the problem is sin x plus sin 3x. That I would like to write it as sin 3x plus sin x. You can exchange there only, no problem. Here also you write better, cos 3x plus cos x. This is your LHS part. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin into cos, 2 into sin c plus d divided by 2, 3x plus x divided by 2. Repeat ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು, into cos c minus d divided by 2, that is 3x minus x divided by 2. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಳಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗಮನಿಸ್ರಿ. cos c plus cos d, again repetition, 2 into cos of 3x plus x by 2, 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2, that is cos of 3x minus x divided by 2 here. Now let us simplify this. This is equal to 2, you can eliminate 2 here only, no problem. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 2 2 ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, 3x plus x. What that 3x plus x? 4x. 4x divided by 2. See, 4x divided by 2. That leads to how much here? 2x here. So sin of 2x into cos of 3x minus x is 2x. 2x by 2, 2 2 cancels. Only x remains, divided by cos of 4x by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is cos 2x will get here. And then cos of x only. Now it is the time to eliminate cos x and cos x. Cancels. Sin 2x by cos 2x remains. And that is what our required tan 2x. This is equal to sin 2x divided by cos 2x. And this is leading to the answer tan of 2x, and this is our required RHS here. So this completes the solution. Next example, let me take into consideration the LHS part, that is cos 4x plus cos 3x. See, one rearrangement I would like to make. 4x plus 3x leads to 7x, it is odd. In order to make it simple, I would like to club cos 2x first, and then cos 3x further I would like to write. Okay, divided by, similarly sin 4x you take, with that you club sin 2x, and then sin 3x you write now further. Sin 3x ಅನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಸರಿನಾ? So cos c plus cos d, that is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2, that is 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into 2 cos into cos of c minus d, 4x minus 2x divided by 2. See what is there? In place of c, 4x is there, in place of d, 2x is there. C minus d, that is 4x minus 2x divided by 2, plus cos 3x is there now, that you write as it is, plus cos of 3x. Further, as a whole, this is divided by, what to take? Sin C plus sin D, 2 sin into cos, 2 into sin of C plus D divided by 2, that is 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos of C minus D divided by 2, 4x minus 2x divided by 2. Next, lastly, what is there? Plus sin 3x is there, and you write that sin 3x as it is. Okay. So this is equal to, what happens? You don't cancel 2 at this moment. Keep as it is. 2 into cos of 4 plus 2, 6, 6 by 2 is 3. Next further, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So only cos x. Plus cos 3x you write further. Divided by 2 into sin of 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3x into cos of x plus sin 3x. See, from the numerator, cos 3x can be taken outside. If you take a cos 3x outside, remains what? 2 cos x plus 1 remains. 2 cos x plus 1. 2 into cos x plus 1 remains. Divided by, if you take sin 3x common, what you are getting? Sin 3x you take outside, 2 cos x plus 1 you will get here. 2 into cos x plus 1. Observe the terms carefully. 2 cos x plus 1, which is common in both numerator and denominator. 2 cos x plus 1 can be eliminated. Remains what? Cos 3x divided by sin 3x. Cos 3x divided by sin 3x. This is leading to cot 3x, no? And this is our required RHS. You see the right hand side. Okay. Now let us move to the next example. See what's that. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. This is what the problem here. Let me take the LHS part. This is equal to sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. See, we have a formula for cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is there. So you change this. See, I would like to take minus sign outside. By doing so, it becomes cos square x minus sin square x. This becomes cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, minus of cos square x minus sin square x. See, here also we take minus sign outside, it is helpful here. So this becomes sin 3x minus sin x. So minus sign cancels. For the numerator you apply the formula sin c minus sin d. That is 2 cos into sin. 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2. That is 3x plus x divided by 2 into sin of c minus d. That is 3x minus x divided by 2 here. 2 cos sin for sin c minus sin d formula. See, cos square x minus sin square x is equal to, there is a formula cos 2x. Use it. Where does the minus sign cancels? Lies here. Minus and minus cancels. That's why I have not written that. Okay. Now further simplify this. This is equal to 2 into cos of 3x plus x is 4x. 4x by 2 is only 2x. 3x minus x is 2x. 2 cancels. Only sin x remains. Divided by cos 2x here. So what happens? This cos 2x and cos 2x cancels. Remains only 2 sin x. 2 sin x. Is it clear? This is our required RHS. See, this is the right hand side. Okay. Next. See the next question. Somewhat lengthy. 4 times you need to apply the transformation formula. Now let me write the LHS part. This is equal to sine 7x plus sine 5x. This is the first term. Second term is sine 9x plus sine 3x. Sine 9x plus sine 3x. Okay. Further, divided by what is there? Cos 7x plus cos 5x plus of cos 9x plus cos 3x. Okay. Still irodu sin c plus sin d 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2 7x plus 5x divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2, that is 7x minus 5x divided by 2. 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Next plus sign is there, you write plus sign. Sin c plus sin d once again. 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2, 9x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of 9x minus 3x divided by 2 here. I have applied once again the same formula, but the angles are different and corresponding terms I have written. Same again, but you need to apply cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos into cos. Right. 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2. 7x plus 5x divided by 2 in, and then again cos c minus d divided by 2. 7x minus 5x divided by 2 here. For the plus sign, again cos c plus cos d. 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2. 9x plus 3x divided by 2. Okay. Into cos of 9x minus 3x divided by 2 here. Okay. Further simplify this. 2 into sine of 7 plus 5, 12, 12 by 2 is 6x into cos 7 minus 5, 2, 2 by 2, 1, only x plus 2 into sine of 9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 2, that is 6x into cos of 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So this is 3x divided by, what can you write? 2 into cos 6x cos x only plus 2 into cos of 6x, 9 plus 3 is 12 by 2 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6 by 2 is 3, cos 3x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ 2 2 ಹೊಡಿದಾಗಲಿ sin 6x sin cos x 6 cos 3x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅವಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, 2 sin 6x is common, observe carefully. 2 is there, sin 6x is there. 2 is there as well as sin 6x is there in the numerator. In the denominator, 2 cos 6x is there, 2 cos 6x is there. You take these common terms. 2 sin x in the numerator, 2 sin 6x. See, this is equal to 2 sin 6x. If you take outside, remains what? Cos x plus cos 3x. Cos x plus cos 3x you are getting. Cos x plus cos 3x. Okay. Divided by, if you take 2 cos 6x, 2 cos 6x, what you are getting? Cos x plus cos 3x you are getting. Cos x plus cos 3x. Very simple. Further, here directly you can cancel this term entirely because both are same. Multiplication is the relation. 2 and 2 can be eliminated. Remains what? Sin 6x divided by cos 6x remains. Angles are same. Sin by cos leads to tan. So this is equal to tan of 6x, and this is our required right hand side. So this completes the solution for this example. Next example, 7th example. Okay. See, something is there. Left hand side. Take that first. Left hand side. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is there, equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x we want. Now it is convenient to club sin 2x and sin 6x. So first of all I would like to write sin 6x club with sin 2x. Okay, one part you make it. 2 sin 4x to right side plus 2 into sin 4x. Okay, then this is sin c plus sin d, 2 into sin c plus d divided by 2, 6x plus 2x by 2. This is 6x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x divided by 2 here, plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 into sin of 4x. Okay, this is equal to 2 into sin of 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 2, 4x into cos of 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2 only, 2x plus 2 into sin 4x. Okay. Now what you can do at this stage? At this stage, see, observe carefully, 2 sin 4x is there here. Here also 2 sin 4x is there. Take it outside, that's all. What happens? By doing so, 2 sin 4x I would like to take it outside. 2 sin 4x remains what? Cos 2x remains. Then further what? Plus 1, nothing means 1 here. See, this is a very tricky step here. Sin 4x you write as it is. Cos 2x is equal to, there is a formula. See, towards the RHS you see sin 4x we want, that we got. 2 no early, cos square x ಬರಬೇಕು. Cos 2x we express in terms of cos square x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. There is a formula, recall that formula. Cos 2x ಗೆ 3 ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. Cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, one more is 2 cos square x minus 1, that I have used. Now you eliminate, what you are going to eliminate? Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Remains what? That you multiply, you will get the answer. This is equal to, see, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 we need, cos square x. 4 cos square x. Next what? Sin 4x is there. You write sin 4x. And this is our required right hand side. And this completes the solution for this example here. See, there is an easy question here. Let me take the LHS part. Cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. For numerator you applied cos plus cos, 2 cos into cos, that is 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2, that is 7x minus 5x divided by 2 whole divided by sin c minus sin d, 2 cos into sin, 2 into cos of 7x plus 5x by 2 into sin of c minus d divided by 2, that is 7x minus 5x divided by 2 here. Now this is equal to 2 into cos of, this is 6x altogether, into cos of 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 cancels, only x remains. This is 2 cos 6x into sin, what you are getting? X only. Now it is the time to eliminate. 2 and 2 can be eliminated. Cos 6x and cos 6x can be eliminated. Cos x divided by cos sin x, cos x divided by sin x remains. But this is nothing but what? Definitely cot x, what we need. This is equal to cot x. So this is the right hand side. Okay students, let us move to the next example. A very important example from the examination point of view. Please try to understand this. Let me write the LHS part. LHS is equal to sin 5x minus 2 into sin 3x plus sin x whole divided by cos 5x minus cos x. Cos 5x minus cos x equal to tan x we need to prove. Okay. Now you need to apply the transformation formula for this combination sin 5x and sin x. That is convenient. So I would like to rearrange the terms. Sin 5x I would like to write first and then sin x. Next what remains? Minus 2 sin 3x is there. You write next. Minus 2 into sin 3x whole divided by cos c minus cos d directly formula you can apply. But at this stage you rewrite it. Cos 5x minus cos x. Okay. Now this is equal to sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. That leads to what here? Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin into cos. 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2. Shall I write it directly or okay? Let it be 5x plus x divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. 5x minus x divided by 2. 5x minus x divided by 2. Minus 2 into sin 3x whole divided by what you can write cos c minus cos d. For cos c minus cos d negative result is there. Minus 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2, that is 5x plus x divided by 2 into again sin c minus d, that is 5x minus x divided by 2 here. This is the formula. Recall this. First time we are using this cos c minus cos d in this class. Cos c minus cos d correct use madidnilrappa. Yes, it is correct. Now further, what you can do? Nothing, just simplify here. In the next screen I would like to write 2 sin, it is 3x, 6x by 2, that is 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x cos 2x, 2 sin 3x into cos 2x here. Okay. Next, minus 2 sin 3x, minus of 2 sin 3x is there, whole divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x, minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x, 3x 2x. See, this is 3x and then this is 2x. Okay. Further what happens? In the numerator, you take 2 sin 3x is common. Along with that, you take negative sign also. If you take minus 2 sin 3x, the terms will be exchanged. And what happens? This nothing means 1 remains, minus of cos 2x remains. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. This is a very tricky step. Try to understand. I have taken negative sign. Minus is already there here. 2 mottos are there. To eliminate this negative sign, at the same time, we have the formula for 1 minus cos 2x. That's how I will tell you. 2 cos 2x minus 1 ಗಿಲ್ಲ, 1 minus cos 2x ಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗಂತ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What you have taken common? 2 sin 3x you have taken common. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 sin 3x you have taken. 2 sin 3x. Carefully observe. 2 sin 3x is there. 2 sin 3x is there. That I have taken outside. Cos 2x minus 1 remains. Instead of writing cos 2x minus 1, I have written 1 minus cos 2x because minus sign is taken along with that. This is a very tricky step here. Now, it is the time to eliminate minus 2 and minus 2, sin 3x and sin 3x. Further what? See here. You have a result like this. Cos 2x is equal to, you have 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 into sin square x. You have result. If you take minus 2 sin square x to this side, it becomes 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Now you see here, 1 minus cos 2x you have, and that can be replaced by 2 sin square x. So this is equal to 2 into sin square x. Be careful. What I have written? 1 minus cos 2x. For that formula is 2 sin square x. Then sin 2x. 2 into sin x into cos x. Multiple angle property I have used. Now it is the time to write this as 2 into sin x into sin x whole divided by 2 sin x into cos x. Now what you can do at this stage, can eliminate 2 and 2, sin x and sin x remains what? Sin by cos, that leads to tan x. This is equal to tan x, and this is equal to RHS. I think it is tan x, no? Right hand side is tan x is there here. And this completes the solution for this example. Okay. So things are very interesting if you know the formula and how to use them. And simple simplification method is to ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, I will continue the next problems in the next class.